I'm going to show you how to buy, sell and trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on Coinbase. Stay tuned to find out how. Welcome to Rich Money Tips, where we show you how to save, earn and grow your money. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to buy, sell and trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on the most popular cryptocurrency website called Coinbase. And before we do go ahead, please remember that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All this is for education purposes only. So please do your own research on what you want to do. I'm just reviewing Coinbase and showing you how we can use the site to buy, sell and trade cryptocurrency. There is also a bonus on the end to this video, which I'm super excited to share with you, and that's how you can get your hands on over $100 worth of cryptocurrency to get you started for absolutely free. So stick around to the end. As always, don't forget to hit that like button if you're really enjoying our content, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see our future videos. This is Coinbase.com, and this is one of the best sites to get started in cryptocurrency. We're going to take a look at their site before jumping right in. So as you can see on the homepage, they have various different sections of the website. They have all the prices, the products, bits about the company, and even their own platform where you can earn cryptocurrency. As I said before, that's our bonus section that we're going to find out about today. So using Coinbase, we can buy and sell cryptocurrency. If you are going to sign up to this site, there is a bonus of $10 that you can claim when you purchase your first $100 of Bitcoin, and you can use that by checking out the description below. There's a link, and that's our link. So if you do buy $100, then you get $10 and we also get $10 as a kickback. Hope this video helps you and gets you started. As you can see on the homepage, we can see all the different coins. These are today's prices. They change all the time, go up and down. And the top cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum, Litecoin, and there's loads of others that we can see. This is the area we will come on to later, where you can earn over $100 worth of cryptocurrency absolutely free from watching some videos. I have a more in-depth video on this, which I'll leave either around this video or in the description below. Please make sure to check it out. It goes into more depth than we're going to cover today. And you can start creating your cryptocurrency portfolio. Now, using Coinbase, you can manage your portfolio, so you can buy and sell popular digital currencies and keep track of them all in one place. You can actually set recurring buys, which means that you can buy cryptocurrency and invest over time. They do have a lot of protection here, a lot of safety, which we'll go on to, and also a mobile app. So with regards to their safety, they have secure storage. So they store a majority of their digital assets in secure offline storage, also known as cold storage. You can click this to check it out and find more information on that. They're also protected by some insurance. Again, you can click this link to find out a little bit more. And they have best industry practices, and you can find out more here. So you can find out a little bit more about the company before you sign up. It's a very popular site. It's almost a go-to website for cryptocurrency. They've exchanged, as you can see here, over $150 billion worth of coins in 102 different countries with 30 million different customers. And you can literally get started within a few minutes. And that's what we're going to do today. So if you are interested, obviously watch this video first and then check out the link in the description below. I'm going to sign in and let's get started. And once signed up, you may have to verify your information, but once signed up, you'll come to your dashboard where we can do everything we're going to do today. The first step, how to buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. First thing we're going to do is we can hit trade up here, and it will come up here with buy, sell, and convert. We're going to focus on buy first, and you can buy cryptocurrency here. As you can see, by default, I think it goes with Bitcoin, and then below that you can choose and add your debit card or bank account here. Now the quickest way is using your card, however there is a fee. I'll go through that in a second. Let's preview. Let's say we want to buy £100 worth of Bitcoin. So you want £100 here, buying Bitcoin with the card, and here we click preview buy. So this doesn't mean it's going through yet, just allows you to preview how much you're going to buy. Now if you're new to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, this is the actual amount of Bitcoin that you'll be receiving. This is the price per Bitcoin that you will be receiving. This is how much you're actually buying, and Coinbase has a fee. Now this is quite a high fee. I'm going to show you a different way on how you can reduce that dramatically and actually get more Bitcoin for your money very shortly. So this is how much Bitcoin you'll actually be buying. It's £96.16 worth, and you'll be getting 0.007 Bitcoin. Just please be aware that some cards and some banks do not allow cryptocurrency transactions, so you will have to just make sure that your bank allows it. If it doesn't, you can use other bank accounts. I know some online bank accounts that you can get do allow it as well. If not, you might have to do a bank transfer and find out what works best. If you do hit buy now, then it will take you through, and you'll get it instantly. It will be debited from your card, and you will get the Bitcoin in your wallet. Another way is by bank transfer. When you add your bank account and send the money, please make sure you include the reference that they provide you, and that will link your bank account with Coinbase, and your transactions will automatically be credited. So when you do send a bank transfer of pounds, that pounds will show in your account, and then you will use that to buy the cryptocurrency. Now to actually get a bit more cryptocurrency for your money, you can use Coinbase's other site, which is called Coinbase Pro. Let's head over there now. This is the Coinbase Pro website. As you can see, it looks similar. It actually shares the same login. So when you do sign up for Coinbase, you can just click login, and it will get you logged in with the same credentials as before. Let's log in now. Once logged in, you'll see this interface. Now at first look, it may look confusing, but please don't worry, it's fairly straightforward. So the first thing is, once we've got our pounds into Coinbase by bank transfer, you will need to deposit your pounds here. So we click deposit. You would then select that you want to deposit pounds into Coinbase Pro, and you can actually do a bank transfer from here. It should arrive within 1 day, or if the pounds are already in your Coinbase, you can transfer it directly from Coinbase by clicking this. This will show you how much is in your Coinbase. You would then select it here, how much it is. So if you wanted to put £100, you would select 100. As you can see, there would be no fee on this transfer. It's unlimited as well, and it's instant. You'll click deposit, and then you'll see it show over this side. And once it's showing here, simply to then buy the Bitcoin, make sure this is Bitcoin and pounds. So if you click here, you can actually buy the different coins, but we want Bitcoins and pounds. So make sure that's selected. We go here. You would like to buy Bitcoin. Just make sure market selected for now. It won't go into that too much. Here you would put £100, and as you can see, compared to before, it's just changed. I think that's because I scrolled it. And the fee here is 50 pence. Now, if you do take a look back, the actual Bitcoin that you're getting, depending if the rate has fluctuated between now and then, but it will actually be more if you're doing it because you are gaining. I believe the fee was £3.80, so you're actually gaining an extra £3 of Bitcoin just by doing it this way. Once you've then done that, you place a buy order, it will instantly go through. And then to get it back to Coinbase, if you wanted it there, you would click withdraw. You would then select the asset, so you would select Bitcoin, and you can transfer it directly back to Coinbase or to somewhere else, which we won't cover today, but you can withdraw it to an external wallet. We're just covering Coinbase today, so you can send it back to Coinbase instantly with no fees. Back to Coinbase, how to sell Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. We again click on trade. You would click on sell this time, and it's a similar process. So here, if you wanted to sell, say, £100, you would sell Bitcoin, it would go into your GBP wallet, you would preview the sell, and it will show you before it goes ahead how much you're selling. So as you can see here, 0.00742. This is the price you would get it at, and as you can see, there is still a fee here of £2.99. So yeah, you would get £97.01. And if you remember, we can buy it cheaper on Coinbase Pro. We can also sell it cheaper as well. So if we head over quickly to Coinbase Pro, we would do the reverse thing now. And this time we would hit sell. You would select the amount of Bitcoin that you wanted to sell. So if I just put in the same as what was on the other one, we can see it was slightly less, but instead of getting £97 and a penny, you'll get £99.96, and there's a 50 pence fee there. So it's actually better doing it this way. It's just a little bit cheaper on fees. And that's how to sell any cryptocurrency really that you have here. You would get it back into your pounds, and then you can withdraw it from your pounds to your bank, or Coinbase actually use PayPal, and it's all very quick, very straightforward. So back to Coinbase here. The last stage was how to convert your cryptocurrency. This is using this bit here if you want to do it in Coinbase. So again, you could use £100, and it will tell you how much you're doing and how much it will convert to. Click preview and it will show up. Now there is a slight something to bear in mind here. Now it does say there's no fee, but there may be a discrepancy in the rates that you get. So it is always better to exchange it through Coinbase Pro again. If you were to do that, so here was an exchange of Bitcoin. into Ethereum. You can change your coins by selecting them here. If you went back to Coinbase Pro, as we will do real quick, just make sure you select here once you've got your funds over which cryptocurrencies you want to change into which. And again, it will be cheaper doing it this way. Please ignore all of this side if you just want to use this just for cheaper fees. And thanks for sticking this far. This is your bonus. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate your support as we continue to grow to bring value to everyone here. By clicking here, you'll go to our Coinbase rewards page where you can earn lots of free cryptocurrency if you didn't want to deposit yourself. Like I say, if you do deposit over $100, you do get credited $10 by using our link in the description below. So it gets you some extra cryptocurrency there. And if you wanted just to earn, once verified, I believe you can just watch these videos. I'm going to leave a link up in the description here and in the description below where you can find out a bit more. And it shows you a little bit further how to use Coinbase Earn and earn some money that way. There's over $100 to earn completely free. You can exchange it to pounds and withdraw to PayPal if you really wanted to, or you can use it as a step into the cryptocurrency space. Now please remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research on what you want to do. Thanks a lot for sticking this far. Really enjoyed making this video, educating you about Coinbase. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. And before I go, please leave any questions in the comments below. We will get back to each and every one of you, help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.